Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, these books are all organized. We can't leave here without checking them out. I can't. This is the first time I've been here. They just must have fixed them. Let's just say that. Okay, let's take a look at them and see if there's anything new, guys. I think I just dropped one. Okay, so Who is Rich by Matthew Clam. That's a new book, guys. So I know that's new. Then they have this one. I know this one's new too. Okay. Then they have Quick Check Guide to Gluten-Free Foods, The Wife's Tale. I think that one, this one here, I think I showed that to you already. All right, let's see what else. So this one says, Can I Go Now? I think I just showed you that one. Music of Ghosts. So I'll just read them all off to you guys. This one says lose the final 15. Then this one, I think this is new. The first death was a warning. Wow. Okay, so that one I think is new. This one says Owen Shears. The Confusion of Languages. This one says Sprinkle Glitter on My Grave. So this one is The Surgeon's Case. I think that's new, guys. Then this one here says Carter's Unfocused One-Track Mind. That's new. Okay, and then look at these, guys. I love these kind of books. So this says Stitch It for Fall. Those books. I don't know if there's a retail price in the back. Yeah, that's $12.99 for that one. Okay, so this here, I think this is new too. Rachel Roy, Design Creating Success Through Personal Style, Your Life. That's a new book, guys. Okay, and then this says Best Frenemies. This one says Robert, avid reader. They have this Quinceañera book that I think I showed you. And let me see. The Invisible Life of Ivan. I think I showed you that. How to Be Famous. I want to know how to be famous. Okay. How hard can it be? Okay, and what's this one? The Latin Explosion of New America. Okay, that one's new, I think. Spoils. Savage Country. Let me see. I think that's a new book. Savage Country. And then this one is Refuge. A novel. Okay. And then this one, When in French. That's new. And look at this one, guys. I don't think I've seen this one. So this one is Indian Cookery. I know that's new. Okay, so if we come down here, it says how hard can it be? I think I showed you that one. And then this one says The Comeback. How today's moms re-enter the workplace successfully. I hope I said that right. Then this one says The Cookout Made Simple. Okay, so this one, it says The Fifth Element. I think that's a new book, guys. This one is called Bones. Okay, so in Pryor's Wood. This one. And the good news is, okay, then this Confessions of a Secular Jesus Follower, Dance in a World of Change. I think that might be a new book. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that one before then. Stranger, Wild Nights. Then this one here, look at this, You and Me and Why We Are in Love. Aww. The Guardians. Conversations in Blood. What? Okay, guys, so that's a new book. And then this one is The Confusion of the Languages. This one says Juice It, guys. And here's Chocolate Modeling Cake Toppers. So these guys, if I showed this to you before, I told you they make some nice, good gifts. On Living. Carrie Egan, The Power of Paradox. I think that's a new book. And then Kathy Gifford's book. And then this one says Housebroken. I think that's a new book. So then if we come down here, it says men, the men in my life. Girl, I think that's a new book. Then Grow Up Anger, Life After Darkness. I think that's a new book, guys. Michelle Knight. Then this one, Age of Ambition. Wow, they're having a lot of new books, I think. I don't remember that one, so it must be new. So this one is The Infinity of You and Me. Guys, I don't want those to fall. Okay, The Vengeance of Mothers. So guys, I think that's a new book too. Okay, and then Amy. Then this one says Jillian Michaels, Yeah Baby. Okay, that one's new. And look, they have levels of school books. Like, well, let's see. This one says Dinos. And then this one says Space. Reptiles. So these are level 2. These are kids' books, guys. Then this one says Billionaire at Barricades. I think that's a new book, guys. Ford Nation, I think I might have shown. Okay. Anyone Who's Anyone. George Wayne. The Astonishing Celebrity Interviews. Okay. How Hard Can It Be? I know she appears everywhere. Martial Law. I think that's new. This is Jumpstart. Natalie Gills. So, Heroines of Mercy Street. The Secret of Golf. Buffering. Salty. That's a new book. This is The Ultimate Creator of Minecraft and Secrets. Contrary Motion. The Plan. Guys, these are all new books. Okay, let's see what's down here. So this one says The Adventures of John Carson, Dark at the Crossing. I think I might have shown this book before. That sounds familiar. Yeah, by Elliot Ackerman. Okay. Strong in the Broken Places, The Fire Line, Time to Shine. This one says Class. That looks like a new book. And this one here is Nelson DeMille, Radiant Angel. Teddy and Me, that's not new. Here's Campbell. Let me see, China Studies Whole Food and Plant-Based Diets. That's a new book. So, The Fire Line, The Rift, that's not new. Gavin Scott, The Age of Olympus. The Conspiracy of Tall Men. Here's The Love Warrior, that's not new. High Places and Purity. Then down here, guys, you have Stacy London. Let me see. That's a new book. Okay. The Weekend Wonder Detox. I think that's a new book. Vengeance of Moms, I just showed you. This one is called Another Side of Bob Dylan. That's a new book. Self-Portrait. 6 Weeks to Sexy. Coincidence Makers. How to Be Famous. Ray Lewis. I think that Ray Lewis is a new book. This one is a new book. I Feel Like Going On. I gotta squeeze that back in there. Okay. The Last of the President's Men. Miracles of, what is that? Shreveport. Mothers of Sparta. Born with Teeth. These are all new, guys. Jersey Girl. Revenge of the World. Madison Park. Okay, and those are the rest of them. Okay, guys, so then here they are. Look how nice. They're nicely organized. A lot of them are new, guys. So along the top here you have the Bibles, and of course along here, I'm just going to scan these for you guys. They usually have them near the books. These are all the coloring books, and even the the little small stories. So you have, and also the crossword puzzles, the large print word searches, those all in this aisle too. And I see some magazines over there I hadn't seen before. So if I just browse through these guys, that have little Bible stories, which I think are absolutely awesome, guys. Look at that. This one says choose hope. This is grace. This one here is the 9 fruits of the Spirit, and then chicken soup. Okay, down here you have the bedtime stories, guys, and even the coloring books. Very nice. Then you have Wonder Woman, Batman, and Toy Story. Dear God, thank you for thinking. Oh, look at this. My little book, Dear God Letters. Thanks for thinking of love. Isn't that adorable, guys? The Walls of Jericho. I'm absolutely loving those. So these are like bedtime stories, guys. And then over here, God made colors, earth, animals, the sea. God made seasons, things that go air, the earth. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So then over here, like I said, you have some puzzle books over there, and then you have some mandalas. Aren't they pretty? So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their book section, and I will see you in the next video.